like to make 5 friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the only male South American sea lions that we have. And according to his trainer, he is the handsome one. Wow, confident. His name is Vincent. Together with Trainer Vince, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have. And according to her trainer, he is the sexiest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Vina, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called fish of feathers to marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey buddies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term pinniped may be also translated as wing-footed, since their flipper to look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right buddies? And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for sea lion friends? And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for sea lion friends? As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair. And their whiskers help the sea lions sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile. Yes! They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, may inhabit waters close to shore, plant rocky cliffs with dive pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out, truly strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Vincent, the handsome one. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you Vincent and trainer Vince. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to... Ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour! That is so fast! How about a round of applause for Sandra? That's sexy, yes! Wow, nice guy, girl! And another one! She deserves it! Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yup, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're thought to recognize and avoid underwater mines. But these trainers, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now let's march! Ready? Ho! sea lion in a salute. In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. So trainers, what first? Darwin, go ahead and get the Rick Sea Lion press. Vincent got it. Also Sandra. A round of applause for Sea Lion Branch. Great job, buddies. And another one. They asking for it. So trainers, what next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball ball. Careful buddies. Almost there. Careful. Go Vincent. Let's hear for Vincent. Steady it. Fantastic! A round of applause for Sea Lion Branch. Excellent work, buddies. Now, this time, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion Branch? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Well, here it, my friend. Let's move it! Clap your hands, everybody, come on! And now, show them the side by side. And the believer dancing into the water ballet. Twisted and turning. What a beautiful twisting, Sandra. And around the world we'll go, round and round. On the other side, round and round. Okay, Sandra, show them the boogie boogie. Boogie boogie, shake, shake, shake. Bounce, Vincent, bounce. Our favorite part, the boogie shake it. Shake those booties. Go, Trainer Vina. Yeah, bounce. And keep on rolling. Okay, Sandra, show them what you got. People of the crowd, spread your camera, because this is the best part. Steady it. Arriba! And for the finale. Steady it. Let's go. Yeehaw! A round of applause for Sea Lion Branch and the trainers as well for the great dance number. This sweet. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, the South American sea lions, Vincent and Sandra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember, what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive a rush-built environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollutions, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are stewards of our planet, and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Vincent and Trainer Vince, Sandra and Trainer Vina, all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our sea lion friends. Bye! By the way guys, if you love some souvenir pictures with sea lions and birds, please approach our friendly photographer at the exit area. And again, thank you for watching.